What's up guys, Randy from TechKK here. Today, we'll be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Hero Black 6. So what I have here right now is the GoPro Hero Black 6, and the retail price of this is at 2,399 ringgit. And to compare this with the previous GoPro Hero Black 5, the launch price was at 1,980 ringgit. So that's actually a 400 ringgit difference. So today we'll be looking at a closer look at this. We'll take a closer look at this and then we're going to dive right in and we're going to check out, see what am I actually paying for? Is it worth it to pay 400 ringgit for this? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's dive right in straight to the unboxing. So this is how the packaging looks like. So it's a very solid packaging. So to open this, you just have to look down here. There's this plastic tab here. We're gonna peel this tab open. And we're gonna slide this right out. And there you have it, the camera. So if you see from the back here, there's actually a diagram here showing you how to remove this mount, the camera from this mount. And so you guys can refer to this, but firstly we have to pull up this rubber flap here upwards, and you just have to push this in and you slide this out. And there you go. That's how you unmount the camera. So we're going to put this aside first, and we're just going to see what else is in the box. So inside the box, there's some instructions that teaches you how to mount stuff. You break it, we'll replace it. Okay. Some GoPro stickers. User manuals, safety instructions. Neat. And what else is in here? There's some curved mount here, and there's a USB 3 to a USB Type-C charger. That's to charge. There's another flat mount here, and the battery. And yeah, that's it. That's all there is to this box. So what's new in the GoPro Hero Black 6 is you have this new processor chip called GP1, which is a custom-made processor from GoPro. This will allow users to take a higher resolution and higher frames as compared to the previous versions. So this GoPro Hero Black 6 can take a 4K video with 60 frames per second as compared to 4K 30 frames per second from Hero Black 5, and they can take a 1080p with 240 frames per second and as compared to a 1080p with 120 frames per second in the GoPro Hero Black 5. So this allows users to take really nice and capture slow-mo videos. And there's also an improvement in the electronic image stabilization. So it's less shaky now taking from this compared to Hero Black 5. There's also a voice control feature with 10 different languages where you can actually record this and turn it off. And while turning this off, there's this all-new wake on function. So when you turn this off with voice control, it will activate into a sleeping mode and it's going to listen for the next 8 hours. And there's also this all-new touch zoom, a digital touch zoom, as compared to the narrow option where they narrow down the field of vision in the Hero Black 5. The both Hero Black 5 and Hero Black 6 now, it's still waterproof right out of the box. You can go up to 10 meter. So any dipper, you will still need an external casing. Last but not least, they are using the same battery from the GoPro Hero Black 5. So this will be really good too for the GoPro Hero Black 5 users where they want to upgrade to this. They can just use back the same batteries, and probably you bought a lot of spare batteries and you can use back the same batteries for this GoPro 6 and it's compatible. So in summary, the extra 400 ringgit is for the all-new processor, which allows users to take a higher frames per second, a better image stabilization, That's the all new voice control, and it features the same design. You can use back the same battery and you can still use back the same accessories. That's basically it. So who's this mainly for? If you're into slow motion videos, then we will recommend you to take this. But if you're not, and you're just doing normal basic vlogging, this is probably a bit too pricey and it's not suitable for you. But if you do have the spare cash, I don't see why not. But if you are into slow motion videos, taking the full advantage of the 1080p with 240 frames is going to give you a very fluid and beautiful slow motion videos, and that's mainly the selling point here. So guys, if you want to check this out, you can check the link at the description below. We have a link there to this GoPro camera. And thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.